Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making apple pie empanadas. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need apples of your choice, empanada dough, lemon, butter, sugar, brown sugar, cornstarch, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. Begin by peeling 4 to 5 apples. Once peeled, dice the apples. In a skillet, melt a half stick of unsalted butter. Add your apples and let them cook for about 2 minutes. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Add a half cup of granulated sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Add a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix until combined. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Bring to a simmer and allow to cook for 8 minutes or until the apples are tender. Add a slurry to thicken it, which is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water mixed together. Place to the side and allow to cool. For the cinnamon sugar, combine 2 cups of sugar and 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. Add apple filling to the center of the empanada. Fold and use a fork to seal the edges. Freeze for 10 minutes. This step is optional. Fry until golden brown. Coat in cinnamon sugar. And there you have it, apple pie empanadas. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and muffins be cooking.